Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and today I'm headed out to Ask a Scientist night.
We had a great night tonight at Ask a Scientist night.
This is a lesson that you can't always learn in the books.
We're here at the Ask a Scientist night for Irvine Unified School District Science Fair. I'm thrilled that we have 50 community members from the scientific community around Irvine here coaching.
To not only learn about science, but meet with somebody in the field.
I got to watch students have personal one-on-one attention with scientists who are in the field. They got to collaborate and go back and forth and talk about projects. It was very fun to see both the scientists and the students engage.
And sharing their love of science and helping coach the next generation of scientists to become better scientists. It's really exciting. Irvine Ranch Water District, Apple, representatives from UCI, IVC, Chapman.
And we're so fortunate here in Irvine to have 1 out of 3 of the Fortune 500 companies, including biotech and health, right here in our very own city.
Life science, physical science, where students can set up a hypothesis, test it, find their conclusion.
So I'm truly impressed by what I saw when I came out here. I didn't realize that all the students would be talking one-on-one with scientists about their projects.
There's an engineering aspect to the science fair where students can design something and show their creative process of trial and error and redesign to solve a real-world problem.
I just love that our young students have the opportunity to engage at this level at such a young age.
Our projects will be due in January. They'll submit them online with slide deck, videos, photos, graphs, and tables. And then many of the scientists here tonight will participate in the judging.
I look forward to seeing those finalized products, and thank you so much for your service and leadership.
You're welcome. Thank you.